to Echoes of Nature. Today, we're diving deep into the abyss to discover the Goblin Shark, one of the ocean's most bizarre and fascinating inhabitants. Let's uncover 10 unique facts about this prehistoric predator. At number 1, a living fossil. The Goblin Shark is often called a living fossil, as its lineage dates back over 125 million years, making it one of the oldest shark species on Earth. At number 2, a jaw that shoots out. One of its most striking features is its protrusible jaw, which shoots forward to capture prey, a skill rarely seen in the animal kingdom. At number 3, found in the deepest waters, this deep-sea dweller is typically found at depths of 300 to 1,300 meters, where sunlight can't reach and pressure is immense. At number 4, an unusual snout. The Goblin Shark's long, flattened snout is packed with electroreceptors, helping it detect the faint electrical signals of prey in the dark ocean. At number 5, pale and ghostly appearance. Its pale, almost translucent skin gives the Goblin Shark an eerie, ghost-like appearance, earning it its spooky name. At number 6, worldwide distribution. Despite its rarity, the Goblin Shark has been found in oceans across the globe, from Japan to South Africa, and even off the coast of the United States. At number 7, slow and lethargic. Unlike most sharks, the Goblin Shark is slow-moving and relies on stealth and its extendable jaw to ambush prey rather than chasing it. At number 8, unique teeth structure. Its teeth are thin, sharp, and needle-like, perfectly designed for catching and holding slippery prey like squid and fish. At number 9, rarely seen by humans. Encounters with Goblin Sharks are extremely rare due to their preference for deep, inaccessible waters, making them one of the most mysterious shark species. At number 10, growing interest in conservation. While not officially endangered, the Goblin Shark's deep-sea habitat is threatened by deep-sea fishing and mining, prompting growing interest in its conservation. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of self and mollies. These beautiful, peaceful fish make a wonderful addition to any aquarium. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of freshwater fish.